Hey family. Welcome back to Omolola Finance Lab, where we turn your financial dreams into reality. How are you all doing today? Drop a comment and let me know. I'm Badamosi Omolola, and today, we're cracking open the secret files of wealthy people's habits. If you've ever wondered how the rich keep getting richer, you're in the right place. And guess what? We have a 7-day challenge at the end that will change how you see your money forever. So, grab your notepad, because we're spilling the real secrets today. Make sure to watch till the end because I'll be giving examples for each step, and trust me, you don't want to miss out. Here's the deal, these habits are not just for billionaires sitting in fancy offices. They're for you. No matter where you are right now, these secrets can help you transform your money game and start moving toward real wealth. And the best part? Anyone can do it. Before we dive in, BOOP that like button, hit subscribe if you love financial growth, and don't forget to comment below with your thoughts, questions, or video requests. Let's go. Wealthy people don't just spend, they track every single transaction. They know if their money is going into needs or wants. Imagine you're earning 200,000 Nigerian nairas a month. Without tracking, it disappears like puff-puff at a party. But when you track, you might see that 50,000 Nigerian nairas went to eating out, 30,000 Nigerian nairas to impulse shopping, and 10,000 Nigerian nairas to subscriptions you forgot about. And here's the real kicker, those little purchases add up fast. That daily 1,000 Nigerian naira snack. That's 30,000 Nigerian nairas a month. A random online shopping spree. Boom, another 20,000 Nigerian nairas gone. But when you start tracking, you take control instead of wondering, where did all my money go? Start tracking every naira you spend for the next 7 days and categorize them into needs vs wants. We'll talk more about this in the challenge. And trust me, once you see where your money is actually going, you'll never look at spending the same way again. Are you ready for a real reality check on your spending? Keep watching. Rich people treat investing like brushing their teeth. It's a non-negotiable habit. They don't just save money, they make money work for them. If you save 500,000 Nigerian nairas under your mattress, in 5 years, it's still 500,000 Nigerian nairas, or less because of inflation. But if you invest that same amount in stocks, real estate, or even a small side hustle, it could turn into 2 million Nigerian nairas or more. And here's the best part, you don't need millions to start. Even 5,000 Nigerian nairas or 10,000 Nigerian nairas invested in the right place can grow over time. The key? Start now. The sooner you invest, the more time your money has to multiply. Think of it like planting a tree. The best time to plant one was 10 years ago. The second best time? Today. Seedling money bag. Research one investment opportunity that suits your budget and take the first step towards growing your money. Tell me in the comments what you'd invest in. Still with me? Because the next habit is what separates millionaires from the rest. One major difference between the rich and the broke: self-discipline. Wealthy people say no to impulse buying, no to unnecessary spending, and yes to long-term financial success. Your friend invites you out for a luxurious weekend getaway, but you know that money is better off in your emergency fund. A broke mindset would say, YOLO, let's go, while a wealth-building mindset says, not this time. And guess what? Saying no today means saying yes to bigger opportunities tomorrow. That dream house, that stress-free retirement, that vacation where you call the shots. It all starts with the choices you make right now. Even the wealthiest people set spending limits. They don't let emotions control their wallets, they stick to the plan. That's the mindset shift you need to win. Set a financial boundary this week and stick to it. Drop a comment on what you'll say no to. We're just getting started. The next habit is a game changer. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Wealthy people connect with other growth-minded individuals. Imagine you have 2 groups of friends. Group A talks about business ideas, investments, and self-improvement. Group B gossips, complains, and splurges recklessly. Which group will help you grow? Choose wisely. Find one person in your life who inspires you financially and spend more time learning from them. But here's the real challenge: what if you don't have wealthy or growth-minded people around you? No excuses. Start surrounding yourself with success online. Follow finance mentors on YouTube, join personal finance communities, and read books that expand your mindset. The key is to immerse yourself in a wealth-building environment, even if it's virtual. This week, connect with one person, one book, or one online resource that helps you grow financially. Drop a comment on what you'll start with. Want to build lasting wealth? The next habit will blow your mind. Wealthy people don't just live for today, they plan ahead. They know their financial goals, estate plans, and exit strategies. If you suddenly stopped earning money today, how long could you survive? Rich people make sure they have multiple streams of income and financial safety nets. Now, let's get real. Do you have a backup plan? Imagine your main source of income disappears overnight. Do you have savings, investments, or a side hustle to keep you afloat? Or would you be scrambling for help? Wealthy people build sleep money. That's money that keeps working even when they're not. Think rental income, dividends, online businesses, or royalties. The goal? Financial freedom, not financial stress. Write down one financial goal for the next year and the exact steps you will take to achieve it. Drop it in the comments for accountability. And here's a bonus challenge: research one passive income stream and take the first step toward making it happen. The challenge is coming up. Stick around. Now, for the part you've been waiting for. Your mission. Track your spending for 7 days and divide it into needs vs wants. At the end of the week, analyze where your money went. Was it balanced? Were you truly surprised or completely shocked? Share your experience in the comments. Want me to review your spending pattern and give advice? Drop your findings below, and I'll personally help you out. If this video gave you value, then you owe yourself to keep growing. BOOP that like button, hit subscribe so you never miss these financial secrets, and comment below what you've learned today. Got a finance topic you want me to cover? Drop it in the comments. I'm here to serve you. And hey, if you're serious about leveling up, share this video with a friend who needs a financial glow up. Let's spread the wealth mindset together. Also, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel for more money-making strategies. Binge watch and start taking action. Let's level up together and build that wealthy future. See you in the next video.